if I told you that there was some super magical alternative to brushing and flossing that can help you to pull out all the toxins and bacteria in your mouth and to just give you that white gleaming smile. Yeah, sounds a little bit too good to be true, huh? For those of you who've never heard of oil pulling before, it's supposed to be this Ayurvedic practice that was used for thousands of years in place of like brushing teeth, and it's supposed to be really beneficial for your oral hygiene because apparently raw vegetable oils are able to stick up all the toxins and bacteria that's in your mouth and to just kind of give you a full clean. We asked our friend Dr. Stephen Su at Specialist Dental Group to tell us a little bit about the theory behind oil pulling and how it works.
The theory is that the oil supposedly draws bad bacteria and toxins from one's gums and salivary glands. It's said to help lessen bad breath, whiten teeth, prevent tooth decay and gum disease. Currently, there is very little evidence for the effectiveness of oil pulling, so we can only go by anecdotal individual experiences.
So here at Simply Her, we wanted to put this oil pulling therapy to the test and to see if it really works. And I was the guinea pig who did it for 5 days, so let's see how it goes. You'll need just 1 teaspoon to 1 tablespoon of coconut oil or any other raw vegetable oil. You don't have to go for those expensive oils at the supermarket. I got mine for $1.20 at the wet market near my place. Just make sure that it's unrefined vegetable oil and not refined vegetable oil for best results. This is it, guys. See you on the other side. Swish the oil around your mouth for 20 minutes. Don't swallow any of it. When you're done, don't spit the oil into the sink or it might clog it up. Instead, dispose of it directly into the trash. Okay, so it's been 5 days since I started, and at first it was kind of difficult to incorporate oil pulling into my morning routine. So oil pulling takes 20 minutes, which means that I woke up 20 minutes earlier than usual when I first started, and it was horrible. Subsequently, it wasn't so bad because I realized that there were a lot of things I could do while I was swishing the oil in my mouth. I could jump into the shower, I could prepare my coffee, and I could read the newspapers while gargling at the same time. So it actually wasn't so bad. Just that you kind of have to get used to it so that you can incorporate it into like your usual routine. So it's up to you when and where you want to do it, but yeah, I mean, as long as you get the job done. So the first time I tried was a bit weird, to be honest. So just having that whole tablespoon or rather teaspoon full of coconut oil and just downing it was really like awful. You know how you eat salads and sometimes like if you don't mix it properly, then the dressing sort of settles at the bottom, and then when you have your last few spoonfuls, you get like a whole mouthful of dressing and it's just like too much. Yeah, that was kind of the same feeling, except that it was all oil. So you have to get over that first. But it wasn't so bad because coconut oil smells slightly more pleasant than maybe other kinds of oil. So I kind of got used to it, and by the second day I was already okay with the smell and the taste. It was just having to gargle for 20 minutes was a little bit challenging because it's like, oh, when will this end? It gets easier very fast. So by the second day, I was okay with it already. In terms of effectiveness, I would say that yeah, my teeth do feel a lot smoother when I run my tongue over them. So I do think that the oil really managed to pick up a lot of the plaque and just get rid of it. I do feel that there was some improvement. I don't know if you can tell, I can't really get a good picture of it because my camera's not that fantastic. But yeah, I wouldn't write it off as a complete fad. There are some truth to the claims.
I personally would not actively encourage my patients to try it. However, if you still want to give it a try, it is recommended to discuss it with your dentist first. Remember, oil pulling should not be a replacement for regular toothbrushing and flossing.
Okay, so sadly this one isn't endorsed by a dentist, but I still think that it's worth giving it a shot because I definitely feel a slight difference. And if you guys want to give it a go, make sure to comment and leave us a message to tell us how it went. See you!